Act 2, yay. Who unlocks the door? I. Oh, damn, I've been on my knees. What did he do? Rape me? Okay, he's been beating me from what it looks like. That's good. I think I could, like, somehow, like, get over. Oh. Fuck that. A million years, fuck that. Now, how do I get back over? Okay, getting back over seems like easier. You were supposed to get over there. What it looks like. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit! That's the awful part. There's no actual way to escape him. Why do I put this on? I mean... Oh shit. Oh shit. You heard me open that door. Yep, I knew it. Ah! Oh. At least I got this, sucker. Shit. I still need to quickly get this valve over here. Damn it. I still need to get this valve over here. It's not a valve, Cody. That's a switch. Now I just need to get inside into the living room. If he doesn't fuck me in the ass, of course. Did he just, like, stop in his tracks? And then... How the fuck did he lose me? What? I don't understand. He was looking right at me. At that point, I just let it happen. Oh no. Now, this is one of the ways you can actually get in. If he goes to this door, Do a flashlight in there. You can see the flashlight. Yes! And he's in. And now I'm in too. Meaning my next course of action is very clear and close. The issue is that he's got to exit. Come on, man, I need you to get out of there. Is he trying to break the front door? I think he is, yeah. He's totally trying to break the front door. Well, near the front door, at least. Oh, I forgot how fast that shark is. Right about. Oh shit. Oh, no. Now he sees me. He can't get me up here, can he? Can I get out? Oh my god, if I stack some boxes here, do you think I could get out? Are there even any boxes? Oh shit, okay. Oh my god. No, he did. Did he just... Did this bitch just pull out a whole vacuum cleaner? You again. Hey. Oh shit. When I said through and through, I thought I meant it, but maybe not. Wicked. I still can't believe this fucker pulled out a whole ass vacuum cleaner on my ass. Like, good gravy, man. I'm not saying I want that vacuum cleaner, but I want that vacuum cleaner. Get the fuck out of here. And you. God, I hate you. And I'm just gonna take this down. Oh, where? Oh shit, there. Back it. Oh no. No. Hey, you don't know about me. What the fuck did I just do? I did a Uber jump. Ow! I'm stuck. Ah! So what? This faggot puts me back in the same basement without any of the things he would need to keep me in there. What an idiot. Bitch. Yeah, don't you... You know I'm gonna be... You knew I was gonna escape. You want me to escape. What? Oh, fuck me. Good news is that he's not close to me anymore. Right? Where did I throw that valve? Because I'm realizing that I need that valve. Oh, it opens the other way. Alright, anyways, it's good that it's morning. I need to figure out where I threw that thing. Did I throw it at him right over here? No, that was the shovel. Yeah, there it is. Oh, thank God. Okay, good, it's ice. Yeah. Holy sh! Holy fucking hell, man.